Today, I have the honour of addressing the 75th annual meeting of the United Nations General Assembly. This year, the Assembly is meeting virtually because of COVID-19, but that in itself doesn't lessen the value and importance of the messages and contributions that each member state has to make. Less than 4 months' time, Ireland will become a member of the United Nations Security Council, a reflection of the very high international esteem that our country is held in. We joined the Council with firm principles and at a critical time. Our clear priorities are building peace, strengthening prevention and ensuring accountability. These are at the heart of the Council's mandate. Ireland has a very strong and proud record of international peacekeeping under the auspices of the United Nations, and I'm confident that that tradition and proud record will stand Ireland in good stead as we become members of the Security Council. And we will continue to promote the core value of building peace and maintaining international security. Ireland will play its part and will make every day count.